Yes, this is another vlog from Ben Rider. Yes, hello and welcome to another vlog from Ben Rider. Today I wanted to test out the, not to test, but to see if some people actually asked me about the noise, if it's gone now, because they put an O-ring underneath this plastic cap there. And so I'm not really sure if it's gone, because my helmet is getting pretty bad and very loud, so I don't hear it really. But I put my trusty Garmin here, and I hope, because usually the internal microphone from the Garmin will catch everything. So let's see if it does. We will go to Malaga for a test run. Also there I might be test riding some bikes. So let's see if the noise is still there or not. There we go. Recording. Are we recording here? Yes. Okay. Let's go. Somehow it looks like rain. I hope it's not going to rain today. They didn't say anything. They didn't say, and I don't want to see any rain today, because I'm not equipped for rain. So actually I wanted to go to Malaga to get some invitations. I don't know why you have to get invitations for this motorcycle day here at the Tivoli. That's like a small amusement park in the city. And you need to get invitations. You get them from motorcycle shops and stuff. And I don't really know why you have to get invitations. The whole thing is free, but you have to get invitations, so this is really stupid. Stupid concept, I'd say. I wonder if anybody can tell me why that is so. So hopefully I will get these invitations from one of the motorcycle dealers in Malaga. And as I said, on the way, actually right now, maybe I'm switching over to the Garmin sound, so you can hear if there's any chirping noise still coming from which I thought, or what I thought was this plastic cap. I'm not sure. I think the first gear, I mean, as I said, I'm an A2 beginner, so please correct me if I'm wrong, but the first gear is not really intended to put in while you're still riding at some speed, you know, like 5 kilometers or so. Because sometimes I do that to get ready, you know, at the stoplight or so. And but it seems like it doesn't want to really go in, or only with a clang. And maybe that indicates that it's not supposed to be, not supposed to put it in gear at only more or less while standing still. So tell me if that is true or not. That's what I've kind of experienced so far. So It's so funny, when I look outside of the window, it doesn't seem like there's any wind, but when you go on the autoview, it's really getting windy again. And it's not the wind coming at me, I'm not talking about this, it's just windy, you know. Maybe you can hear it or feel it. Oh, what the hell is going on here? So it's like gusts, you know, gusts of wind, and that's not really nice. Yeah, we have very low clouds, as you can see. Usually in front of us there's a mountain, but there's only clouds there. So let's see if the noise is still there. Usually I can hear it at around this RPM, or when I let go of the throttle. Must be a vibration. Yeah, very gusty and nasty. Now we have 44 kilometers after getting gas, and we have at 3.2 liters per 100 kilometers, so it moved up a little bit. I moved up a notch, so maybe I'm going a little bit faster and sportier than before. I don't hear anything, at least not through the helmet. Maybe next time I should go without helmet. I have really no idea how Tom Cruise can go without helmet. But of course it's understandable, because all the viewers, they have to see his beautiful face when he's doing stunts or whatever. A German camper. Wow, this is getting kind of nasty behind the truck now. This is really nasty. So I have, oh, actually I don't know how much kilometers I have. I had almost 2,000, I think. So that basically means, I don't know if they actually put some grease on the chain at the 1,000 kilometer inspection. I seriously doubt that, actually. I've heard you have to do it every 500 kilometers, so I'm basically over it for a long time already. I kind of checked it, and it seems like there's some grease on it, but maybe you can also, your experienced riders can give me some insight on this greasing or not. I bought some grease oil that I will spray on after I've washed it. At first I want to wash it, and then I want to spray it on. Wow, so it's really windy behind this truck. There's a police. Oh, that's great. I hope you will not go where I want to go, because I want to go lane splitting there at the exit ramp. No. Oh yeah, that is police. I kind of have to get to the right here as well. So I hope this guy from the electric bike shop is there so he can give me these invitations. I don't know anybody in my town where I could get these actually. Go. What are you doing? Okay. Did you hear the noise? I think I can almost finish with this video. The noise check video. Yes, we're basically at our destination. Thanks very much for watching the noise check video, and hopefully we have caught some noise, or hopefully not. And I can put this to the files. Can you say that? Put that to the file. At least we say that in German. Anyways, thanks very much for watching, and talk to you next time. This has been a Ride Out. Take care. Bye bye.
I've been a rider.